Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Porodo keyboard. First, make sure your keyboard has enough power. Check if it's fully charged or if the batteries are fresh. Next, find the power switch, which is often located on the back or side of the device. Flip the switch to the on position. You should see an indicator light come on, confirming that your keyboard is now powered up and ready for the next step. Now, let's choose how you want to connect. Most Porodo keyboards offer either Bluetooth or a small USB receiver. If you're using Bluetooth, look for a dedicated pairing button, often labeled BT or with a Bluetooth symbol. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the indicator light starts blinking rapidly, signaling it's in pairing mode. If your keyboard uses a USB receiver, just plug the tiny dongle into an available USB port on your computer or tablet. If you're connecting via Bluetooth, open the Bluetooth settings on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Your device will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for your Porodo keyboard in the list of available devices. It might appear as Porodo keyboard or a similar name. Select it, and if prompted, confirm the pairing or enter a displayed code to complete the connection. Once connected, it's time to test it out. Open a word processor, a notepad, or even your web browser and start typing to ensure all keys are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A good first step is to simply turn off and then restart both your Porodo keyboard and the device you're trying to connect it to. Also, check for any other wireless devices that might be causing interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.